Assalamualaikum viewers. Today you're gonna learn how to change your Facebook account name. So we will learn that how can we change our Facebook account name. So you need to follow some steps from Facebook support, from Facebook help center. They remove the old link to change your Facebook account name. So here you can find the new link to change your account name with ID card or any other computerized card to change your Facebook account name. So let's get started. First of all, you have to write here on Google, search Facebook Help Center. So here I write, my account is already open on the Google. So I am just searching Facebook Help Center to change my account name. There is no server I attached to change my Facebook account name. You just need an card and any computerized card to change your Facebook account name. So here I will write name change. So why I can't change my name on Facebook? Here you can. So we have to change our Facebook account name, not page name. So we will click on the first link. So here, as you can see, edit your name in your account settings. So we won't click there. We will directly go to this link. So I think this is a new form, and Facebook removed the old form from the previous section. Like let me tell you something. When I came here in the setting, first of all go to the setting. Your name. Now as you can see, here is name change available. So I don't want to change my name, but I want to tell you the process that how can you change your name if there is no option to change your name. So click to learn more, and you can see here is a form link, find out why. I will click here. Now this was the form link and they just removed, and now they just redirect to this link. So we have to just write the first name. So any name you have, like you have a name on ID card, any Alex, and James the last name. It must be the date of birth must be same as your account. So you have to choose a reason why you want to change your name. You have to choose the legal name change only. Then your documents, any documents you can upload, but must be included your name and your date of birth. So you have to include your document from this choose file option. Any document you can upload and just submit to the Facebook. I am uploading any random photo to the Facebook to change my name. So I am sending to the Facebook, and now here they will forward the message to the support inbox. So here they will reply if they accepted our name or our ID card. They will reply here they updated the name on account and you can use your account. So here is a simple method you can follow and to change your Facebook account. Thank you.